In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from image in Photopea. We'll work entirely inside your web browser using a free Photoshop style editor. Start by opening Photopea. Once the site loads, go to the top menu, click File, then Open, and choose the image that has the unwanted text. Wait a moment for the canvas to load. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and select the Spot Healing Brush tool. It's the one with the Band-Aid icon. This tool is perfect for wiping out small distractions, and we'll use it to replace the text with surrounding pixels automatically, so you don't have to clone or paint by hand. Before you paint, check the options bar along the top. Set mode to normal and set type to content aware. Normal mode keeps the tool behaving predictably, while content aware tells Photopea to analyze nearby textures, colors, and lighting to fill in the area where the text sits. That pairing gives you natural, seamless results on most images. Now adjust your brush size. The fastest way is with the bracket keys on your keyboard. Press the left bracket to make the brush smaller and the right bracket to make it larger. Aim for a brush that's just a bit bigger than the thickness of the text you're removing. If it helps, zoom in for precision and keep your strokes short and controlled, especially near edges or patterns. When you're ready, carefully paint over the text. You can do it line by line or word by word. As you cover the letters, release the mouse to let Photopea process the area. It will automatically blend the selection with nearby pixels. If something looks off, simply undo and try a slightly different brush size or a few smaller passes. Repeat the process until the text disappears and the background looks consistent. This method shines on simple, uniform backgrounds like sky, walls, or grass, where the surrounding texture is easy to match. For busier scenes, take your time and work in smaller sections to maintain detail. And remember, gentle, overlapping strokes usually produce cleaner blends than one big swipe. That's all there is to it. With the Spot Healing Brush and Content Aware Fill, removing text in Photopea is quick, clean, and beginner friendly.